Namaste, na peru Vishnu. Welcome to JD Vishnu YouTube channel. You are watching Fortune Sonthalia Sky Villas at Kokapet Hyderabad. Ultra luxury 4 BHK Sky Villas, gated community living. Welcome to Fortune Sonthalia Sky Villas, one of the Hyderabad's most iconic ultra luxury residential project. Located in the upscale and fast developing neighborhood of Kokapet near the outer ring road and financial district. In this video, we take you through a detailed walkthrough of this magnificent project development by Sri Srinivasa Infra Private Limited. Known for its quality construction, thoughtfully designs and landmark developments across Hyderabad. This project approved by HMDA RERA spread across 5.2 acres of prime land, Fortune Sonthalia Sky Villas redefine luxury and exclusivity. The project consisted of four grand towers, each rising 28 floors high, offering breathtaking view of Gandipet Lake on one side and the city skyline on the other side. With only 232 residences, each designed as an independent villa in the sky, residents enjoy complete privacy, open spaces, and seamless natural ventilation. Every home here is a true 4 BHK sky villa with sizes ranging from 6,333 square feet to 7,333 square feet, giving you the feel of a bungalow with the convenience and security of a gated community. Design and architecture. Fortune Sonthalia Sky Villas is designed to embody modern luxury and timeless elegance. Each apartment features 11.4 feet floor to ceiling height, large balconies, and panoramic glass facades to maximize view and daylight. The project has 60 feet spacing between towers and nearly 49 feet of space between homes, ensuring utmost privacy and zero noise interference. The architecture integrates smart layouts, double height living spaces, wet and dry kitchens, servant rooms, and utility zones for modern family living. Every inch is crafted to exude sophistication, from import marble flooring and modular kitchens to top-notch fitting and home automation system. The clubhouse and amenities. At the heart of the community lies an impressive 45,000 square feet clubhouse spread across 5 levels. This space is designed for recreation, relaxation, and rejuvenation. It includes an indoor temperature controlled swimming pool, state of the art gym, yoga and aerobic studio, spa and wellness zone, squash and badminton courts, home theater and conference rooms, indoor games lounge, crèche and guest shoots. Step outdoors and you will find beautiful landscaped gardens, water bodies, jogging and cycling tracks, basketball court, amphitheater, children's play area, and senior citizen plazas, all designed to elevate your lifestyle and every single day. Sustainability and open space, one of the standout features of Fortune Sonthalia Sky Villas is its eco conscious planning. The community offers vast greenery zones, rainwater harvesting, solar energy utilization, and water recycling system. With minimal ground coverage and more than 75% open space, residents enjoy clean air, privacy, and the luxury of space, a rare find in modern city developments. Location advantages: strategically located at Kokapet, the project connects seamless to Hyderabad's major hubs, just minutes from the financial district and Gachibowli, Nanakaramguda, and high-tech city. Easy access to the outer ring road for airport connectivity, close to reputed international schools, hospitals, IT parks, and shopping malls, and fine dining destinations. This location ensures an ideal balance between peaceful Lakeview living and city convenience. Why choose Fortune Shantalia Sky Villas? Exclusive Sky Villa concept, only low density 232 units across 5.2 acres. Panoramic Gandipet Lakeview, massive 45,000 square feet clubhouse, low density living with high privacy, excellent connectivity to financial district and ORR. Premium construction by Sri Srinivasa Infra, approved by TS RERA and HMDA. This project is perfect for HNIs, business leaders, and families seeking an elevated lifestyle in one of Hyderabad's most promising premium neighborhoods. Contact and inquire for more details, floor plans, or site visit. Call, WhatsApp 9966465614. Visit our YouTube channel, watch complete video, and this project approved by HMDA RERA. If you are watching first time JD Vishnu YouTube channel, please subscribe, like, share your friends and family members. Click on bell icon, you will get notification West Hyderabad real estate updates. In this community, we have resale 4 BHK Sky Villa on 12th floor with maid room, puja. You are watching actual flat video. This is the flat available for sale. 7,333 square feet, east facing flat, corner flat, per floor only 2 flats, 3 lifts for passengers, in that 2 for owners, 1 for visitors, 1 for service lift, and with 2 staircases you have. This is the view from the your balcony. This is Gandipet Circle, complete Gandipet Lake view, uninterrupted view you have. If you are interested for this flat, please contact on display number for more details to schedule your site visit, brochure, price sheet, location. And also, we are dealing West Hyderabad, all builders, very prime location like Kokapet, Neopolis, Financial District, Gachipoli, High Tech City, and Tellapur, Kollur. If you want to sell, if you want to purchase, please let us know your requirement. We will help to you for sale or purchase. Thank you so much. Watch complete video till the end. Please subscribe.